it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. What in no way, I made the way. Call my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away.
What is going on, everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? If you damn, this stuff is loud. If you guys can hear me loud and clear, I need everybody here to go ahead and do me one huge favor. I need everybody to go ahead and drop the fire emoji right now. Let's get it. Let's drop it. If you guys are tuned in and you can hear me, drop the fire emoji, everybody. And good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Keep dropping the fire emoji, everybody. If you tuned in and you live and clear, drop the fire emoji. I need everybody here to go ahead and drop the fire emoji. All right, so yeah, today we getting it down pat. Fortunately with oil, man, there's nothing going on for me. And let me hold on. All right. Okay, there we go. I just gotta I feel like my music is too loud in my ear. Okay, cool. So yeah, that being said, nothing's going on with oil at all today. I actually thought there was something potentially going on with oil, but nah, man, there's nothing going on with oil at all, and I'm gonna talk about why in a little bit. But here's the important thing about oil, guys. I want y'all to understand that oil tends to move roughly around this time, going all the way up until about 10 a.m. And if there isn't anything going on from that time, then there is just nothing to really worry about, right? But that being said, I'm looking at oil now, and we've been in consolidation literally since Monday, since the opening of oil. So technically speaking, I don't even think we're gonna move until we actually break strong structure. But we really gotta do something here, because we've been in this sideways trend for a minute. Like, we got a high all the way up here resting at 74.10, and then additional to that, we had this internal high resting here, which is roughly at 73.70. So what I'm really looking for is market to break out of this high, which it technically is trying to do now, and hopefully we can get something to happen here. But damn, I just realized too, we got another high as well, which is right here. So there's a lot of structure going on right now, or a lot of internal structure that we got to worry about with oil, which is giving me that idea of no trade today for oil. GJ, we have a pullback. Crazy pullback. I did call out a sell. I don't know. We shall see. Because looking how strong this pullback is, we shall see what this brings us. Yo, what's good, brother? But GJ was also in consolidation for some time. Yesterday it was beautiful. There was a beautiful bot trade that the bot that called out something, a potential sell. It was a beautiful setup right there. And then yeah, today during London session, it was nothing going on with London session. It was just in all consolidation mode. New York, I'm actually looking on it to continue down, but let's just see. Let's wait on the candle. Patience is everything. Y'all know I talk about this 24/7. Patience is everything. And the most important thing is patience too. US30, it's moving. I was surprised that we was moving like this. Very surprised that we are moving like this right now. But that's that's pretty dope. But yeah, I am surprised we are moving like this. So even with me with US30, I think I said oil. US30, I need to see some pulling back in order for me to buy. I think US30 sell. You can sell it, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, the way I trade, I don't trade like that at all. I don't just take a sell even when I see it at its highest point. I still wait on structure to break because I need more confirmation. I don't want to just play the gas. I don't want to play the guessing game like that, where I'm relying on one confirmation, right? Or I don't want to start forcing a trade that really doesn't even exist. To be true with you guys, yeah, you can sell it, absolutely, but I'm sure we will all here say that we will want more confluences to combine before we actually just take a sell. For me personally, if I was to sell it, I need to see this. I need to see the structure, create a low, internal low, and then after it creates that internal low, I need to see it break through. Depending on whatever I'm trading, I can trade immediately that breakout, or I can wait on another pullback. If it's an indice, I usually can take the breakout and just go from there. And that's pretty much really what it is. But if it's something else, I'll usually wait on another pullback, and then I'll wait for candles to tell me that it's ready to sell it, and then I sell. I don't just sell because I see a double top. I don't do that no more. I don't just sell because it had hit my support line or resistance band. I don't sell because it just tapped into my POI or order block level. I don't do none of that. I wait on structure. Structure is always my backbone of any entry or any strategy I ever put myself into. I'm always looking at structure. I have a rule called the 3 confirmation rule. I don't know if any of you know what it is, but what it is market structure, price action, and really looking for the most recent range. Those are my 3 rules in any strategy I look for before I enter in the market. Man, drop the fire emoji, guys. I need y'all to drop the fire emoji. All right, this GJ trade is looking promising. Yo, we got 2 more minutes in this. I'm be honest with y'all. I can't figure out GJ right now. It's in this consolidation. I cannot figure out GJ right now. It's in consolidation. Like, I'm sure we will get an engulfing candle, but it's just like, yo, what if we get that candle? And this is why I always say, if you are a trader that thinks like that and then also have that intuition where you like, I'm gonna get out the trade, that's something you should not be doing. Who here can tell me, who here watches their trade while they in a trade? Who here watches their trade while they're in a trade? Me. Okay. Not me. I have such a hard time walking away. I try not to. Okay. So, who here? Eyes on it unless it's a swing. Who here, but I don't change anything? Set alerts. There you go. I like that one. I set alerts. Who here? And that's actually something I kind of do in a way, depending on if I'm looking at it. But who here also gets out of trade early because they see it going out their way? So let's say right now, prime example. Let's say you got in the GJ trade and you see this candle right here. Who here is also the trader? And let's be real with ourselves, guys. Who here is also the same trader that will get out the trade early because they see it going up, or their bias now start to change because they see it, one candle is showing a completely different direction? Nope, I stay. I'm guilty for that. Laugh aloud. I appreciate you for being honest. I appreciate you for being honest. There's a lot of traders in here that's not honest, I'm sure, but I do appreciate the ones that's also telling the truth regardless, even if they still stick to their plan. That is important. But I see a lot of you guys are quiet now. Like everybody was saying me, but nobody is saying, oh, I do, I don't. So that goes to show something right there. I do. If market structure looks like it's changing, I think GJ has a good chance of going down. I'm in it. I'm in it. Like I'm just preaching right now. What I had said earlier is what I seen. I seen structure going down. I see it going down. Just because it's one little candle, it's not gonna make me say, "Oh, guys, now we're going up." If it goes up, it goes up and hits my stop loss, and that's really what it is. There's nothing else to it, guys. This is the whole point of having a fucking stop loss. What's the whole point of creating a stop loss if you're not even using it? Let's be real with ourselves. You know what I'm saying? Like who here's put stop loss? I'm pretty sure a lot of us don't even put a stop loss in our trades. But you have an idea where your stop loss would want to be at. And if you do have a stop loss, but you never actually let it go to your stop loss, that's a problem right there. You know, but it's crazy how everybody here was saying me so quick and fast. But the moment I had asked who's also the same trader that likes to change their bias why they in a trade or get out of a trade because they see one candle or two candles going the other direction, and nobody really answered that. So that y'all basically just gave yourselves one big reason on why you should not be looking at your trades. Like real fucking facts. There's no reason why you guys should be looking at your trades if that is you. I say this in all my streams all the time. You guys ever notice why solo always get in the trade but never really look at it? Because of that reason. Because of that reason. We are humans. It's okay if you feel like you got to get out of a trade because you see something bad. It's cool. Ain't nobody here to sit here and say, oh, yeah, I'm better than you because guess what? I can stay in the trade and look at it with no problem. Ain't no such thing. We are humans. We all have some type of fear. We all have some type of neglect. We all have some type of emotion going on in our mind about this trade, regardless if you feel like you're right or wrong. Like, that's just real facts. There's no such thing as the perfect trader. Like, legitimately, I don't care if you've been trading for 10 years, 2 years, 5 years. You know what I'm saying? You will always have that fear or always have some type of emotion running in your mind. Like, damn, this trade, like right now, I'm like, damn, this trade is going left. But what if it goes the other way? Guess what? Now I'm like, ha. I feel good about this trade. You know what I'm saying? And that's just how it is. That's just how it is. You win and lose. You don't win everything. You know? Of course we want to win everything, but we can't. We can't. You got to trust your plan. And if you can't even trust your plan, you shouldn't even be trading. You got to trust your plan, guys. But if you cannot trust your plan, you shouldn't even be trading. Make sure you guys like the video, guys. Like this video, guys. By the way, I'm recording. I'm dropping a video on my YouTube channel behind the scenes and stuff of me just doing stuff. I'm actually in the process of growing a small account. So give me 1 second. Y'all, give me 1 second. What just happened now? Let's see. Oh, okay. My bad. All right. What is GJ on? Yeah, we about to hit stop loss. Matter of fact, I don't even need this alert. I'ma just watch it. Oh, by the way, I did promise you guys that I was going to give you my calculator too. which is this right here. Let me make this small. So when we see some setup, I'm gonna show you guys how the calculator works. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I don't know why can I not. All right, so if we let me remove this for 2 seconds. If we remain strong from breaking this internal high, this can be a solid trade. But I know we're still in bigger consolidation because we still got this high to worry about too. So this isn't the reason why obviously I'm not even in a buy, because the sell is still on. But this is the reason why I'm kind of like, yeah, we could be just in a bigger consolidation without even knowing, because of the simple fact we got a lot of close internal structure to focus on, which is this right here and this right here. And like I said earlier, Oreo ain't doing nothing. 30 is already taking off. Who here takes trades every single day? Or, I got a better question. Who here feels like they need to take a trade every single day? The profit one. This guy. Not me for sure. All right, yeah, stop loss hit on this one. Stop loss hit on this one. Stop loss hit on GJ. I trade every day if I see opportunity. I didn't saw my setup today, so I didn't even take a trade yet. That one. That's that. There you go. Damn. Nope. There you guys go. You do not need to be trading every single day. If your setup didn't exist, then it's not a trade. I'm gonna talk about this trade and why was it an L. I'm gonna actually well, I'm gonna talk about what I seen first. All right, so basically this structure right here, seeing that it was already going down, right? We had a low, we had a low, we had a pullback. I was instantly like, okay, I'm seeing that we got some rejection right here, even though this wasn't the biggest candle. I usually like to see something bigger than that, but I'm like, I know GJ likes to sometimes play his games, you know, when it comes to these little candles. So I decided to say, you know what, let's take this trade for a sell. I was really looking for this to be a TP1 instead of all of this right here. It looks like it actually reacted off of this lows instead of these lows right here. So that being said, you know, it just reacted off these lows. seems like that there's really no news today. It just seems like, yeah, it's just too much. It's too much consolidation going on in here. Everything is consolidated. Everything is tight, really, and I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. I already know what's going on a smaller scale. It is, ain't it? Man, I had hired me a new social media manager for my YouTube, Instagram, and my TikToks. So, hey, if you're putting in work, we're gonna see. It seems like it so far, which is cool. But yeah, anywho, hold on, y'all. I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on. All right, I want to see what GJ does right here. So why people don't trade gold anymore? Is it just me that don't trade gold? Who else don't trade gold? Oh, why you don't trade gold anymore? Oh, I just haven't been seeing profit lately with it, so I just put it to the side for now. It's on temporary retirement. I'm not a big fan of it. But I mean, I do miss it, don't lie, because I was making bread with gold, but just not right now. My best month I ever had, shit, I can't even remember. Oh, it probably was when I was live like 4 months ago, I think, or 3 months ago, something like that. I had a lot of good months too. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So, I don't know. NASDAQ's been going crazy. I haven't even looked at NASDAQ. Something I do like to, in a way. Oh, you right. Damn, NASDAQ is probably the only one that's moving too. Oh my gosh, this actually might be a trade too. Hold on. We got 1 more minute left on this candle. Jeez. If y'all take this trade, that's on y'all own risk. I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, I don't give out signals once again, but this might be something Solo might take. Let me run up some numbers real quick on this risk calculator. So if I was to get in this trade, entry point, let's do NASDAQ. Right, and then stop loss. Let's see if this trade even makes sense for me. If I risk 15%, oh, that's typical. That's pretty standard. I think this is I think this makes sense. I trade NASDAQ completely different than I do any other pair, by the way, guys. I literally trade the breakout. But we got to see the closure of this. This is a spinning top. These candles are very tricky to trade because if it's a wick rejection at the top and large wick at the bottom, you might see a candle, the next candle go up and then come down, or one candle might go up and then the next candle might go down, and then from there it's whatever it wants to do. I hate these candles. I ain't gonna do it, guys. I'm not gonna do it. It's not the cleanest setup for me to trade. It looks so promising, I swear it does. I just want to hit the sell button right now, but I can't do it. I don't like this. I don't like that. Please make a video about NASDAQ. Yeah, I don't like that. We're gonna come back to NASDAQ and see what's up. Why did I take this off of my list? Oh, that's why. I just wanted to focus on these three. What is NASDAQ symbol on Trade Locker? It's literally, let's see, I'm looking at it right now. It's literally called NAS100. Are you using if you're using Funded Pro or Offspring FX, it's literally NAS100 on Trade Locker. Okay, search was taking forever. It's there now. Thanks. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, all right, we going up. Let's go on a higher scale. Let me realign this whole structure and figure this out. So I guess GJ created a really intense pullback that was definitely needed on a higher scale. The crazy part about this pullback from up here to down here is that there's a lot of points that we could tap into to actually start heading up. So if you are one of those traders, you're like, I knew I was right, it's gonna come here, but you probably had one here, you probably had one here, you probably had one here. Being on a 4-hour scale, to really know for sure if this is the actual valid POI level, we need to see it break out of this first, which is this is the most recent high off the 4-hour scale. So technically speaking, if I was to trade this, depending on your strategy or your setups, you know, you could trade the breakout. I don't know how you guys trade or take your entries, but you could take the breakout after this happens. But I'll wait for the closure of the candle because you don't want to get a big wick and then close right here. Or me, you know, you can wait. Now that we understand what's going on a higher scale, you can now wait on a pullback, which will happen if you have patience. Wait on a pullback, and in that pullback you can hopefully get in here, take a TP1 here, and then TP2 can probably be here, TP3 can be here, TP4 can be here, TP5 can be here, TP6 blah blah blah, TP6. So you guys get where I'm going. That's if right, that's if we're right, and if we are right, then we obviously will get rewarded for that, and that's the beauty of it. So there's still hope for GJ, guys. There's a lot of hope for GJ, because here's the nice thing about this right here. Look at this. Look at that. A pullback is going to happen, especially for a Forex pair like GJ. It's definitely bound to happen. If this was NASDAQ, we can probably kiss this goodbye. We're never going to see a pullback what you guys think it will pull back to. Instead, it will just give you something like that and then head up another additional 100, 200 points for the entire day. So, yeah. Somebody said you up 200 on gold right now. Let's go on a demo though, but the process is what matters. Facts. Yeah, demo can get you right as far as your strategy and understanding the market reaction, But you know, I always say the most important part of trading is handling your mental while you in a trade and not in a trade. That's the hardest part. And I'm glad I like going live and y'all see an actual other trader that takes trades before they get in the trade and during the trade. You guys see how I go about my mental, and it's a good thing for myself because it puts me in my place. I say this all the time. I do like going live sometimes because when I do trade, it puts me in my place too. Like I'm literally preaching about something and it's like, oh yeah, let me just sell, and it's like I can't do that, you know. So I like going live too because it helps me a lot. Like I will tell myself out loud as I'm telling you guys out loud, why I'm not in this trade, don't go in this trade. Like I just said with NASDAQ, the reason why I'm not in NASDAQ is because we just broke that trade down earlier. And that basically right there, those little things goes a long way. It's like those little things is what's literally gonna make you a successful trader. And everybody overlooks that all the time. They want to focus on the big picture, not knowing the big picture is the smallest thing to really worry about. And the smallest thing to worry about is the biggest thing that's going to affect your trading career. And that's real facts. You know, that's real facts. And yeah, it's crazy because when people say they make so much money on their demo account, it's like when they go live, I literally have 5 people tell me this off the rip. Every time I trade a demo, I do very well. Every time I trade a demo, it's the easiest setups. I see it, it makes sense. But every time I go live, it's like the world is against me. It's like they know I'm live. It's like this is a scam. I got that said to me 5 times. And I'll be like, you want to know why you feel like that or why you think that? It's because the little thing that you don't focus on is the biggest part of your trading career. It's your mental. You think because you took a demo account and you made the most money with the demo account, 200K demo account, 100K demo account, 50 bands demo account, $10,000, $1,000 demo account. You know, you show your profits to the world, blah, they see your strategy works, blah, blah, blah. They see your signals work when you call out from a demo account, but the moment you go live, it's a different story. It's a different story. 100% different story. I don't care if you've been calling signals on your demo account. I don't care if you've been trading forever on a demo account. I don't care if you've been posting profits on a demo account. The moment you go live, it ain't gonna be the same. It ain't. 100% ain't. It's a mental game. Because every time I go live, I always have that urge of, I just want to take this trade now. I just want to take this trade now. I just want to take this trade now. Even it's funny, even when I was trading my challenges for Funded Pro, I even looked at that as a demo account. I felt like that was a demo account. And the moment that they said I had a funded account, even technically it's still a demo account, I feel like, damn, I got a live account. You know, like, yeah. So, yeah, what's your question? So I have a question. Is oil doing Wyckoff distribution in the last 2 days? Ooh, we could talk about that in a bit. But yeah, we'll talk about that. Bro, they don't what? They don't do good in demos, consistent profits. When they win something in $1 million account, they talk about that. Facts. It's going to be different when you live. I keep my demo accounts on 5K to keep it real as possible. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna tell you this right now. And I hope I don't offend anybody. But it's cool that we all trade demos, right? We all trade demo account. That's cool. And you do learn a lot, but you don't learn what you really need to know about trading, being a successful trader. I promise you. Somebody's going to come here and tell me, no, that's a lie. But I can promise you this. You can learn a strategy. You can learn how to backtest without even worrying about having a demo account. You can just go on TradingView, or you can use my Forex Tester 5. You can use FX Replay or Relay or whatever it's called. You can use whatever you want to do backtesting. That's no problem. Like, there's a lot of backtesting softwares out there. So you really don't need to worry about a demo account. If you want a demo account to really get the feel of market reaction, cool. That's perfect. That's great. Congratulations. Condones to you. But what I'm telling you right now is getting a live account was the best thing for me. I used to always put $100 to $200 in every live account, and I blew every account. Like I tell you guys, I spent a total of $150K in the past 4 years of trading, because I was never really trading a demo account. But I want y'all to understand something. I wasn't doing it me knowing that trading a live account will really put me in a better situation. I didn't do it because of that. I was literally doing it because I was greedy. I was literally kept constantly putting $100, $200 in, because I was like, I want to make this money. I want to make this money. I see it. Because there'll be good days I make good money, good weeks I make good money, good months I make good money, and then I blow it off. You know what I'm saying? So I did not get into the game thinking like, yeah, if I go live, I'm gonna learn. I swear I did not, because I wasn't. My mindset was nowhere near how it is now back then. Like, it was not. So my whole perception of me trading live was not what I'm saying right now. I'm just being real honest. But what I am getting at is, I'm glad I did that, because little do I know, I was actually teaching myself something, which was the truth of trading, the art of trading, mastering my mental. Like, I got tired of losing money. I got tired of it. I'm like, yo, I'm tired of pawning my items. Like, that was a struggle for me. That's crazy. I created my own struggle knowing I didn't even need to create that struggle. Like, I remember there was rent due, and I said, nah, I'm a quadruple my money. I'm gonna just put this money, my rent, into here, make more, and then hopefully have another from next one. I was doing that, guys. Crazy mindset, was horrible, but I was doing that, and this is what trading can do to us. I was doing that. I was even pawning items because I lost all my money and I had nothing left, and I had to pay rent, so now I had no choice but to pawn my items that I did have, that I was able to get some dollars from. But what I'm getting at is, I was doing all of this to basically put myself in the situation that I am today, to now know that I got this created. This is my rule book right here. Without this, Solo wouldn't be doing any live streams. Also, additional shout out to prop firms, Funder Pro. Shout out to the very first prop firm I started off with, was FTMO. They're also the half of the reason why I started this. Believe it or not, 4 years of trading, and I still hear people talk about risk management, didn't care none to it, didn't pay no attention to it. But the moment I heard everybody talking about the prop firm that came down at the time, or obviously still out, you know, they the OGs in prop firms, FTMO. I took my first FTMO, and they put me in a pedestal for sure. I was like, damn, you know what? I need to learn about risk management. So I fully got adapted to understanding risk management, thanks to doing my very first prop firm, and I failed, 3 times. And it taught me what I really need to know, risk management. I didn't know nothing about risk management until I took my first prop firm. I'm like, what the hell is a 5% daily drawdown? 2%? I'm just like, what? What is these numbers? So, yeah, that being said, it's pretty intense, guys. It's pretty intense. But one thing I would say, though, is you do need to start trading live accounts, even if you're telling yourself you don't, you do. Because without an L, and if you can't learn from it, you can't grow. You said my dad was made because I trade all day, and during my studies in school, I'm currently in profit stage, just need to grow my money. I don't study, that's why he gets mad. Feel you. Question, do you experience spreads in fun, or does it still trade like a demo? Justin, the spreads, I'm trying to think what you're trying to, I know what you're saying, I'm just trying to like say it correct. The spreads is still the same. It's usually still the same. It just depends on what prop firm you're dealing with. Funder Pro, I realize they're still roughly the same. They're still the same, actually. NASDAQ was today's short. I'm actually looking at NASDAQ on my phone right now. Right here. This is what I got going on, so y'all can see. But yeah, no, it's doing what I still anticipated to do earlier. Yo, I like that. If you can't learn from it, you can't earn from it. Solo E. Hey, I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. All right, yeah, let's so geez, yes, guys, Wyckoff is 100% going on with oil. For those, remember we talked about this yesterday. Let me just show you guys something. So Wyckoff is 100% doing what it did yesterday. I got my notes here. I'm gonna pull it up. This is what we call distribution. So there's two different distribution formats that you see here. You see the two difference here. You got this here, as well as, this here. So, like I said, there's 5 phases in Wyckoff. I can literally kind of just break it down real quick. Not gonna get into it. If you guys really want more information on this, like I said, you really got to be tuned in with the solo community. We do talk about this in the boot camp, which we do start Thursday, by the way. But this whole part right here is all one phase. This all right here is another phase. This right here is this potentially could be one phase, or all of this could be another phase, but I'm just talking about right now. So we got basically 1, 2, 3, 4. So we basically essentially have almost all 5 phases. Jesus, all 5 phases in the making. This either can be seen as an up thrust or up thrust in distribution. I like to call it UTAD or up thrust, right? But I look at this as an up thrust. This right here is like what we like to call last point. Now there's different meanings to this, right? There's different meanings to this, but I'm just giving you guys like the meaning of where Wyckoff is. But usually stuff like this is called last point of supply, last point of support. People say that too, but I call it last point of supply. This is also could be considered last point of supply as well. So yeah, I'm not gonna get too much into Wyckoff because, to be honest with you, I don't trade it like that no more. I don't 100% don't trade it like that no more. Like, I don't want to complicate myself doing all of that. If you want to learn it, it's cool. You could definitely learn it, but you will learn a lot from Wyckoff. I promise you that. I promise you that. All right, let's see. Okay, so you said I'm learning to understand the market overall. I'm good with your liquidity phase strategy. Yeah. So just to talk about that, because that's the most easiest way to just keep it simple. Y'all know I love keeping things simple. There is no liquidity phase right now with oil, but if there was one on a higher scale, like the 1 hour, it will basically be equal highs up here, essentially, equal lows down here, essentially. All right, which basically means that this is a segment of Wyckoff. So if we were to take out the highs, we need to take out the lows. Now, this is like the perfect schematic of Wyckoff. Richard Wyckoff himself created, right? So I'm just trying to think of an area that it would make sense to you guys, but technically liquidity phase is supposed to be in phase B, and the reason why is because what happens is this, guys. So we have something called a buying climax. That's what BC mean, a buying climax, right? And then after that buying climax, we have something called automatic rally. I think I call it automatic rally, or I think it's called something else, but I know I just stick to automatic rally. But we have an AR. These two are the areas where I would say you usually get the equal high, equal low. Sometimes after that, you get something called a secondary test, which is this right here. And sometimes it won't be as perfect as this, but sometimes it does be, it will usually be an equal high, which will line up with this red line right here. Same thing with the sign of weakness, which is this right here. Sometimes it will line up with the AR. This is what I mean by my liquidity phase. So my liquidity phase strategy, just simple equal highs, equal lows. When you see that, the next move that's supposed to happen is the up thrust, which basically means we got to see what direction it goes first, right? So let's say that we realize it goes up first. Right here, it went up. Now, technically speaking, this is the best one I'll show you because this is the one that makes more sense. So when it goes up, I'm expecting it to now go down because all of this right here is noise to me. Last point of supply, last point of supply, last point of supply, blah, blah, blah. All this is noise to me. So the moment we go up, I wait on that little structure to break through, right? Let's say this right here is the low. I wait for that to break through, which it just did right here with this line. Pull back right here, I enter. And I just hold my position and just sell it. And I just minimize all that noise. So you guys see, this is what I do to just make things simplify for me. Now, you don't have to go that route. You don't have to go that route. You can literally get the whole full Wyckoff, which I do know. So if somebody ever come to me and be like, oh, you don't know shit about, nah, hold up now. I just keep it simple because you can make it simple or you can make it difficult. But that's what I like to do, and that's really what it is. You need the CCI indicator. What is that? I don't crude oil. What does it do? I'm unsure. NASDAQ is actually moving. Wyckoff the trade stocks. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I'm good. But I'm glad you mentioned it. Maybe somebody can look into that, the CCI indicator. Yeah, NASDAQ is moving, y'all. I'm looking at that. Damn, I don't even want to look at it on the chart. I'm looking at it, though. It's moving, though. Here's another setup of missing out. Fair missing out. It's like we want to get in that, but I can't do it to ourselves. Wait on this GJ pullback. The question is, I don't know where we can pull back to because we have nothing but strong candles. There you go. Fire. That's fire. That's fire. Congrats to you on that. Not gonna lie, I am feeling a little, you know, look at it. Just want to show you guys. Right there. Damn, that's beautiful. But I just want to show you guys how I'm handling myself, which I'm still like cringing, and my soul is cringing right now. But I just want y'all to understand this happens in trading, and never be that trader. Especially right now, I just want to show you guys. I'm not in the trade. You will see, obviously, you will know if I'm in the trade because it will show everything. But I just want y'all to understand, never take a trade like this. Right? Even though, like I said earlier, this wasn't my setup, I'm winning at the end of the day. You want to know why I'm winning, guys? Can anybody tell me why you would be winning if you did not take this trade, knowing damn well you already told yourself the reason why you wasn't going to take it, or the reason why you will take it if it did what it did? And anybody know? Anybody know the answer to that? You said stop loss because you're not losing. You didn't lose money. Nah, it's because you basically controlled yourself, disciplined yourself. You just told yourself, your subconscious and your conscious mind, the reason why you want to get in this trade if it did what it did. Sticking to your plan. Thank you. That was the answer I was looking for. Following your rules, sticking to your plan. That's the true answer I was looking for. When you can do that and master that, I swear to God, you guys are going to be real good traders. I promise you. You're going to be so disciplined. You're going to be so disciplined. It's not because of your stop loss. It's not because of anything else. It's really because of you stuck to your plan. And I stuck to my plan. I said my plan, and that's really what it was. And it didn't happen. It is what it is. That don't mean you a bad trader. That don't mean nothing. That don't mean shit. I just seen it. Oh, so hold on. On the 15 minute, I just seen equal highs, equal lows, or wick. Sorry, not equal highs. Large wicks, and I didn't feel comfortable and confident in that trade, so I didn't take it. So at the end of the day, it's all about sticking to your plan. Everybody in the room might have took this trade, which is cool, but as long as you stuck to your plan, you gonna win at the end of the day. Because let's just say these same traders that took all these trades took it just because they seen somebody else took it, or they just might have seen a green or a red candle just dramatically going down. Well, guess what? Give it 2 weeks, 3 weeks. They might blow their account, and guess what? You might be. Your account might be just like this, while they like this. But you're slowly winning the race. That's what matters. This is what matters, not this. That's a no-no. This is what matters. So if you're in a room full of others that's taking sales because they just see a red candle and it just looks so promising, but you just told yourself the reason why you're not in the trade and the reason why you're waiting on your setup, and you still wait on that setup, or you're not even in it because it didn't happen, you know what's up. You got this. You got this 100%. Now that being said, US30 is pulling back, which is what I want to see. Now I'm telling myself I'm gonna get a trade today. I am. I don't know what the fuck was this. Okay, that was weird. Well, what is going on with US30? Why is it acting weird? The fuck? Let's see, US30. Let's get a different broker. Alright, don't know what the hell happened earlier. Yeah, I covered oil already. It's not doing anything special today. I got my eyes on GJ today and also on oil. 30. Man, facts. They do whatever they want and we have no control over it. As much we want to be able to know what's going on, we still have no control. This is why we need stop losses. This is why we need to have multiple TPs, or at least find a way to make these trades risk-free as much as possible. But all of this matters, y'all. All of this matters 100%. Why? I don't know what the hell is going on. I must have had an alert on a different broker. You said, bro, no lie. Ever since I ran across you and follow your IG, you showed us how important psychology is. Game changer for me, big time. For sure. Yeah, though, I appreciate that comment, that feedback. Today, Trading View been tripping with the alert system going off for no reason. For real? Oh, so this is something for real? Like the alert has been going off for no reason? I might have put an alert on a different broker though, so. Oh, this been happening to you? Okay. All right, guys. Remember, GJ consolidation might be happening right now. If we do consolidate, that's cool. But remember what I said. If you're new, if you just come to my channel, I basically said on a 4-hour play, this could possibly be the POI for us to actually get the pullback, but we won't know until it breaks the major high, fortunately. But the nice thing about scalping is we can always come on a smaller scale and look for these scalping opportunities and just go from there. So while we wait, for those that don't know, we're running a challenge, a giveaway challenge right now with Funder Pro. You guys see the notes down there. I know you probably skimmed through it, but I'm gonna just mention this real quick since we got a lot of y'all on here. If you guys want to get a free challenge, 50K and a 25K, I just need you guys to do 4 simple things. Sign up through Funder Pro using my link in the description. That's 1. 2, follow Funder Pro IG and follow my IG. If you already did this, continue to do this because that's even better for you guys. But I want you guys to follow Funder Pro IG, follow my IG, and then share my most recent IG video on your story, tagging me and Funder Pro. So you guys got to do that if you want to get a chance to win a 25K challenge, 50K challenge. If you even got already something, if you want to go ahead and do it. Get you a copier tool where you can y'all can literally just like get a bunch of challenges with different prop firms or with the same prop firm and just use a copier tool, and then you're basically, in a way, you're trading like over $1 million capital or such and such. I feel like you should only do that once you feel so confident in your rule book, your trade, or your whole system, and just take off from there. I feel like you only should do that once you feel confident and you disciplined enough to do it. Can you check rather if what flirts with your liquidity? If what goes with my liquidity phase? We got liquidity phase started. Liquidity phase on what? Talk to me, mate. Talk to me. That's what I do on Social Trader Tool. I just keep compounding my personal and my funded. Yeah, I love Social Trader Tool. It's fucking powerful. I said I was gonna start doing challenges on live too, but I'm doing a challenge off live. I'm doing a pre-recorded video. So, by the way, I'm down on my account. The GJ trade took me down on my account. I ain't gonna lie, guys. Real fucking facts. I went 50% on GJ. Why did I do that? Because I'm so confident in the trade, and that's why. But yeah, so I lost 50% on my account, so I got 50% left. So that being said, it kind of sucks, right? But it is what it is, man. Those things, this is why I say trading a live account is completely different from trading a demo account. Let's say you guys lose 50-80% on your account. Already half of y'all like, damn, my account is blown. I promise you, it's not blown until you have no money left in that account, or pretty much money to where you can't even take a simple mini lot or even hold it for 10 pips. There was one time, I remember a while back, I had $500 in my account. I damn near blew 80% of that and only had like $100 left or like $85 left. And I'm just like, man, I'm gonna stop trading. But I realized something. I'm like, no, let me try this. Let me see if I can get my money back. And then boom, go from there. Yeah, I said 50%. Yeah, you guys understand, like, I'm trying to tell you, it happens though. But I'm literally being as super transparent with this little, like I said, I'm doing a video on me doing another small account challenge. I haven't did this in a while, not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, I always deposit a lot more than $1,000, so I did $1,000 in this account. I was like, what the hell, let me try it. Y'all asked for it, let me do it. So I'm doing a video on it regardless. If I pass, I only want to get it to $2,000. That's literally it. And like, no lie, I'm only gonna get it to $2,000. But I'm only doing it because I want to show you guys that it's possible. You could do it. Solo said YOLO. Yeah, I did go against my rule. I did. It's 15% for my rule. Yeah, and I guess that L is something that I needed. It's like, you better stick to your rule. This ain't. I don't care if you doing this or doing that. I had to stick to them. So yeah, oh yeah, the 40K flip was fucking crazy. That was my first time going live. For those that don't know, if you ever want to, just check out all my old previous videos, probably like 5 months ago, probably 5 months ago. I did 4,000 into 40K, and we did this live. And I would draw pretty much all of it. And then I did another challenge. This is the challenge I did with, I think there was two challenges I did. No, there was another challenge I did. I can't remember that one. But then I did another challenge where I did $2,000 or $1,000. And I was also doing, this is my very first time doing Funder Pro, right? I've been introduced with Funder Pro. So I was doing my personal account and I was dealing with Funder Pro. I was using a copier tool called Social Tool. And I passed the first challenge, the second challenge, and I grew my personal account at the same time. And we did all of this live. So yeah, that's what I did that time. And then like I said, now I'm doing a pre-recorded video of me turning a $1,000 account. I don't even like doing $1,000. I feel like I want to do more, but I also kind of feel like there's no reason to do more, because at the end of the day, there's no difference from $1,000, $100, $50, $10, $50K, $100K. If I can't grow a $1,000 account, then what makes me say I can do a $4,000 account? If you can't grow a $100 account, what makes you say you can throw a $1,000 account? So there you guys go. So I kind of did a YOLO thing for sure with the GJ trade. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. I was cheating a little bit. I was like 50. I was trying to get my account to 50% in one day with one trade. Shame on me. Shame on me. But it is what it is. It happens. So I took the L. I got the L. I got like $500 left on this account, and now I got to go back to my 15% rule max. And stuff like that is what I always say, guys. Like, for those that don't know, I have a journal out called Lock It Trade. It is for those that's been following me for a minute. I'm gonna try to, let me log in real quick. Okay, so for those that don't know what this is my journal. I created this journal. Will literally, by the way, this is just a test account. This is the test account, but this journal will literally put you in your place. It will let you know what strategies works best for you, what times you should trade, what pairs you should focus on, and how much you made from each strategy, and also know your win rate. So let's say I have a strategy called the crypto breakout. It says I did an 83% on that, which is a good strategy. I got an Elliott wave theory strategy. I got a 60% win rate. Might be okay. It's actually real good. I got a trend line strategy, 75%. I think I had one strategy that's 50% on this breakdown strategy. So this right here will literally put you in your place. What I'm getting at is if you guys really want to like know just really perfect your system, this is perfect for you guys. It's called Lock It Trade. LockItTrade.com. This is perfect for you guys. But yeah, you can literally come in here. You can come in here and customize it. You can add all your trades in here. You can go to the calendar. You will know what days work best for you, what days you made money, what days you didn't. You can put notes in these. I'm also journaling my trade too, so I got to journal that trade that I just did. I got to journal that trade. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much really what it is. It's in beta right now, by the way. This is why I haven't really, we haven't really fully promoted it yet or anything like that. It's still in heavy beta because we got really cool features that we about to add to that. All right, let's talk about US30 because I think it's about that time. Let me see it. 15 minute. I like the 15 minute better than anything. See what the 15 minute got. Yeah, I mean, technically it is out right now. It is out, like you guys are able to use it for sure. But it is out right now, but yeah, still in beta though. Just like Trade Locker. Trade Locker is still in beta, but it's out for sure. If you guys want to check out Lock It Trade, it is here. That is the link. You can definitely tune into it. By the way, guys, I need everybody here to keep liking the video, man. Let's get these likes up, guys. Let's get these likes up. All right, so let's say I was to get in a US30 trade. We got time for this candle. Okay, so if I was to get in this US30 trade, 15%, guys. Letting you guys know right now, 15%. Do I not have US30 on here? I don't. All right, I know what I'm gonna do. Let me see. We did not put US30 on here. I remember that. All right, so what I am going to do is temporarily use NASDAQ. That ain't gonna work. You said you love US30 trades. It's funny you said NASDAQ. NASDAQ, US30 for my style of trading is the best for me. Yeah, for my style of trading, it's the best. Looks like we're reversing with NASDAQ, by the way. Let me go to US30. So we got 4 minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes left on this candle, to be exact. Don't know if I want to take this one because I do want it to surpass this, but what I could say is if I wait on a 5 minute, I don't know if we can get another pullback. I don't know. We're gonna keep our eyes open on this one for sure. I want to say shout out to those that has the patience in this trading world, because this ain't easy. It ain't easy. You can make it simple, but it ain't easy. It ain't. And if anybody ever told you this is easy, it's not. You can make it simple, but it's just not easy. Because we have so many what if, we could have, should have moments. We get mad about ourselves. It's money that we playing with, guys. I mean, come on now. Money. It's money that we playing with right here. It's not like we're just playing Monopoly. Like, we're playing with real legit funds right here. We're playing with emotions right now. We're playing with the mental. And this is literally part of mental health. My homie said his father, stocks, not Forex, but traded stocks, and he realized like it really messed up his mental as he got older. And I'm just like, damn, man, I'm glad you told me this, because I don't want to like feel like the moment I get older, I'm like putting myself in a bad situation, in a mental bad situation. Like, but trading can do that to you guys. It can do that to us. It can really mess us up mentally. Like, we can wake up in the morning, take a couple trades, and we took an L, and now it just fucked up our entire day. Like, mentally, like, I don't want to talk to you. What's wrong with you? Eat? Like, no, don't talk to me. And it's to trading. That's what I'm saying. This is why trading can take a big toll in our mental health, for real. Put us in a depressed stage because we ain't made money, but we see everybody in our circle made money today. It does a lot. It takes a big toll. How long does it take for a withdrawal to be complete with Osprey? Honestly, bro, it could take a couple hours depending on how big it is. That's honestly takes a couple hours. It also depends on your crypto wallet. So I use crypto.com, and I usually get it instantly. So yeah, I usually get it instantly. I've been trading since January this year and already down 45K. I do remember you telling me that. Yes, I do remember you telling me that. And I know that's definitely taking a toll for you, definitely mentally. I know that's taking a toll. So if this US30 trade presents something to me, I am going to get in it on my account, but I'm only going to do a micro lot of 0.01, just because I blew 50% of my account thanks to GJ trade. Fucking asshole. It happens though. So that being said, yeah, I'm gonna go back to my rule book. I don't know why I ain't even think about the first trade to go in my rule book, but yeah. Everything you said is true. Once again, guys, I'm on my Instagram looking at who really wants this challenge, man. If you guys want the money, want the free money, all you guys got to do is follow those steps down below. Sign up through Funda Pro using the link in the description. Follow Funda Pro IG and my IG, and then share my most recent video or share any video of mine that you like, and tag me and Funda Pro on it. There's no rules in trading. There's no rules in trading, but the only rules is your rules of being disciplined and sticking to your plan. If you're profitable, you are profitable. That's it. Are you in? No, I'm not in. I'm actually just waiting to see what these next couple candles are gonna do. GJ, here's a prime example of what I was saying earlier. If I was to sell this, I need to see it take this low out and then go, but I'm not selling it though. Ooh, that's facts. You know, people used to always say that to me, or I used to always hear people say we are our greatest enemies. And I never really felt it and understood it until like this couple years in. I never really understood until a couple years in. I'm just like, damn, I actually now understand what that means. I actually understand. Like, I feel it. Ooh, bro, I'm $50 away from a 400K FTMO account. Yo, let's get it, man. Congrats. I am not in oil. 30. What is oil doing? Slowly going up, building up that liquidity we talked about earlier. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Trying to figure out what is going on. Can't get past 1K. Says, can we do a growing account like last time, please? Like together? Are you saying like we all focus on growing an account together, right? How did we do it last time? I'm curious to know, how did we do it last time? Oh, the 4K one I did? Oh, okay. Oh, so you saying like do another like 4K challenge live, like showing my okay. I see what you're saying. All right, you know what? Let's say this. After I'm done with this little account growth, I'm doing a pre-recorded video. It's not like I am obviously like doing behind the scenes so people can just see how it looks. After I'm done with this, let's do it. Let's go back and do it. Let's go back into that. Rhythm, because that was a really good flex of mine. But physically, y'all seen it though. That's what made it even better. Like, you know, when people say it, like, I have proof that I can just go to my pre-recorded videos and see it. Like, so I think that was really cool, man. But what were you doing? Were you also trading a 4K account or something? You said one green candle on US30 and I'm out laughing loud. Are you in a sell on US30? I'm actually looking for this buy. Alright, y'all, I'm about to buy in on US30. Yeah, I got it right. Okay. Alright, so I got a TP at 34104. That's my TP1. This is my TP2. I'm actually only in one trade because I can only afford one trade. I don't want to risk too much. Like I said earlier, I risked 50% on a fucking GJ trade like a dummy. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I went against my rules. Full margin Tuesday. No, I'm not doing that. I'm doing the super micro lot right now. I'm doing the lowest lot I can do in trading Forex. 0.01. I said full margin. Come on, why y'all doing me like that? Why y'all doing me like that, man? I'm also post this in the community. If I got time to, because this is probably about to hit a quick little move on me, like always. Let's see, 34104, 34152, 34234. See, I knew it was gonna do that. I knew it was just gonna move. Yeah, I do. I use 15-minute very faithfully on US30, but I do have a 5-minute technique that I do use on US30 and NASDAQ, or mainly US30, and that is I usually wait on another pullback on US30 if I'm on a smaller scale just to confirm it. Actually, on a 15-minute, I like the 15-minute with GJ as well, but I'm gonna go back to my drawing board and I'm gonna see if I can get some nice little setups on the 5-minute again with GJ. US oil is moving though. No lie. Yeah, US oil just ain't giving me no clean setup. No clean setup. And yeah, definitely don't feel confident. Still feel like we're gonna pull back here. Even though it's looking nice right now. Everything looks nice in a moment, but hey, afterwards it'd be something different. I would love to see it break out because I'm ready to take some nice trades tomorrow for Wednesday. You know. Hey, I got a question for somebody here. Do you guys know how to like bookmark a web link into like a starting menu on Windows? Like, is it a feature where I can like save this, where I can just like click it down here? You can't see it, but my actual starting menu. I know I can bookmark it. Obviously, it's bookmarked, but ain't there a way you can like just have a browser? I don't know. Something that I'm trying to figure out. Copy the URL. Okay, and what do I do with that once it's copied? I copy the URL and then I just like create. Then you go to the home page and click add website. No. Not. That's not what I mean. No, that's not what I meant. I meant on like Windows. So like, you know, on Windows you have all of your programs. You just click it and it opens up. That's what I'm talking about. Like I got Google Chrome, I click and it opens up. I gotta figure that out. Put a lock mark. Create an icon and use the URL. Okay, got you. All right, bet. I appreciate y'all for helping me on that. You said bought on Discord called another good signal, gold and Euro USD. Did it really? Y'all gotta. I'm trying to tell y'all. Please put fire emojis on the ones that's calling out good stuff, because I'm trying to keep record of everything. I can't, I can't do everything myself. So that's why I would love for you guys to put a fire emoji. Can you put a fire emoji on those bots, on those ones that you're talking about right now for me, so I can see, so I can look at it? Just put a fire emoji on that one. All right, I see you did that one. Is it just that one? Yeah, thank you. I see y'all. Also, it was only just this gold one. All right, so it was a possible buy on gold. I'm gonna look at it. And I haven't looked at gold in like months. This is about to be crazy. That looks so ugly. That's why I have not been trading gold lately. Like, look at that. I would not have got no setup right here, nor here. That's crazy. I gotta really look at gold again. But where was the buy at? And when was this called out? This is called out 9 a.m. It said possible buy though, so I'm confused. Where y'all getting this at? Got out another good gold and Euro USD. Oh, it caught out another buy at 8. Oh, you talking about this move right here? Okay, got you. That's fire. Still waiting on TP1 on US30, but we up though. Well, I'm up though. Nothing crazy. Look how GJ is moving down. I like this. This is really clean. I love the 15-minute on GJ. It's like prime to me for some ironic reason. 15 minutes is just super prime to me. By the way, we gotta fulfill this wick right here. I just realized we got this long tail wick right here. We gotta fulfill that. We definitely will be fulfilling this wick. Y'all see that? Zoom in on you right there. That wick right there. That nice little wick right there. We gotta fulfill that. Like I said earlier, we are in consolidation on GJ. You said, oh, your TP1 would sit on Osprey. Fire. I'm actually waiting on TradingView TP to hit, just to be fair. But this is why I always say everybody needs to have at least to have the same broker, so we all can know for sure that it hit, that we're still in a trade, that we didn't get something happen or blah blah blah. We're good, you know. You said bot calling sometimes 2 to 3 times are same signals, but those who are following charts can manage it to catch TP1 on both like I did. Really helpful though. So let me ask you, for those that's in the VIP right now and actually is using the bot, do you guys find the bot helpful? Like, to be honest, just being real honest and gent with me. Don't be biased because, you know, it's Solo's bot. Just be 100 with me. That's the whole reason why I got the bot there. A lot of people don't even use it, and I say all the time, use it. I just gave alerts. Never used the bot, but I watched the trades and trade because I wanted to test it all. All of the TP ones for TP2. I don't use it blindly. I just give it alerts. I will use it, but I don't have the 3-play thing. Planning to make a dream chase. All you gotta do is just type in this 3 confirmation or confirmations in the in any chat, and you will literally see. You don't need to use it blindly. Bot gives you trade opportunities. You just need to wait for price action before entering. Facts. That's facts. See if we can get TP1 at least smash on this. Wow. If oil ain't slowly creeped up on me today, I don't know what did. But wow. Guys, you want to know what's a good moving average that I will consider using? It's this right here. It's the 290 on a 5 minute. It's like so clutch. It's the 290 EMA moving average. So me personally caught a few signals and finished phase 1 on my my Forex funds. Congrats, bro. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Oh, congrats. I did not know that. I was just funny. I was just about to mention my Discord. By the way, guys, I'm putting the link right now in the chat room if you guys want to go ahead and join the Discord. Everybody, I just put the link on here if you want to go ahead and join the Discord. I want to get in a GJ trade, but no, it's not. It's no setup for me. It's just no clean setup. It's all in consolidation. One moment it will go up. One moment it will go down. Slowly waiting on US30 to move. Now it wants to take its time, but it will get there. Patience is everything. GJ just hit a whole fucking reverse train on us. GJ still bearish out there. It is, yeah. It's just didn't want to react off my area that I was looking for it to react off of. Stop loss was up here. Got demolished. US30 is doing good. At least you didn't lose the bag on GJ. At least you didn't lose big. I did though. I lost 50%. That is big. That's actually really big. I lost 50%.
Walk up in this bitch like, yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really him. Hold up. Look, walking this bitch like, hey, yeah, I'm really him.
I'm not saying GJ reversing. I said GJ was in consolidation from the jump. So that can mean it go up, go down, but we be in a consolidation because earlier how market structure just looked. So like GJ earlier was here at the time. I was like, yeah, guys, we probably gonna be consolidating on a bigger scale, and that is exactly what we got going on right now. All right, let me do something here. Let's see. A lot of nonsense on here. Right here. All right, cool. What is the probably difference between TradingView and iSpring? I can't. There's nothing different. iSpring is a broker. TradingView is a platform where you can do your markups and analytics. I mean, TradingView does have like paper trading and they got brokers attached with them, but if you're saying like price wise, each broker has their own like price. So that's why I'm not even. Honestly, the reason why I'm using TradingView on the computer is because there's no app available yet on the computer for TradeLocker, but I'm taking all my trades through TradeLocker, which is powered by TradingView, so I can get the actual numbers and all of that information. So like here you see the trade I am in. I just took it on here. This is the actual, like I said, this is powered by TradingView, so everything here I can do on TradingView. But I don't have it on there yet because it's not on the web, or it's not a app yet. But you got the web version, but just not the app version. Oil took off, man, without me even in it. It just left solo. crazy. US30 sells valid. US30 yen. Once again, guys, if you're not in that Discord community, make sure you guys get in the Discord community. That link is there. US30 is taking its time right now. All right, so check this out. So it looks like the market is slowing down for now. I want y'all to know something. When it comes to GJ, you guys know you can really trade it during the Asian session. I mean, these are two trades that I was able to not personally take, but I was able to catch a setup off of. And this right here is a prime example. Oh, not that. So like during Asian Tokyo session, right, we had a beautiful setup where all of this right here is the range that I talk about. You always want to find your most recent range. This is part of my 3 confirmation rule. Number 1 is find your range. After you find your range, the second part is waiting on a pullback into your extreme point. POI levels, like it can be anything from supply demand, key levels, institutional levels, POI, whatever you guys want to call it. But you wait on it to come and tap into those POI levels. After that, you then wait on structure to form, and then let structure break through, and then you can get in through for the breakout, or you can simply just get in during a retest. So technically this candle right here, 15-minute candle, was the candle. And as you see, TP1 could have easily been here, TP2 could have been here, or TP1 could have been here, depending on how you go about it. Or you could have just rolled this trade all the way through to next session. And then yesterday, same exact play here. Notice this is my most recent range, meaning that this is my most recent trend. We pulled back into ideally a POI level up here, got a beautiful candle, and we dropped. So that being said, we could anticipate to get that same setup for today during Tokyo session. At this time, this is probably honestly, this whole entire thing is still the most recent range right here. So we could even pull back a little bit more, catch that, and then maybe drop from there because of this right here. So like we could still pay attention to this level right here. If there's any other levels that will occur, definitely it could occur. Oil or 30, we're trying to see if we can get this TP1 to hit, at least getting there, but we ain't there. Oil took off. Oil just took off, guys. Oil just really took off from here. I'm not entirely sure what the hell happened, but yeah, we really took off. And I'm glad now we're breaking structure because I can start really getting into some nice trades for tomorrow possibly. Now I know for sure that we're going up. This is a beautiful setup for me to start looking for some buys. But yeah, guys, that being said, I'm going to sign out. I'm going to see everybody tomorrow. Y'all have a great day. Make sure you follow us. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Thunder Pro if you guys want this challenge. And also, the Discord is in the pin, or it's not in the pin, but it's in the chat. But I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Everybody, peace. Take care.